Okay, is it okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this particular table is showing you that what particular items were returned during this 2016 year, right? And 2017 like that. During a span of time, it is showing us some data, isn't it? So it is basically a fact table. Okay, and now moving on to the
No.
sales table,
This
guys.
one. Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yeah,
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
yes, you're audible.
See, I'm asking if the data has been collected by period of time. We can say that this data is fact data or
Yeah, it is. It will show you exactly what is happening in a particular company or some dealings with respect to that company directly. Whatever things, whatever developments are happening, it will show you that thing. And rest of the dimension table will be somewhat like a static data, isn't it?
okay. That
Like
means time
customers,
series all time series data is fact data, right?
almost their fact table.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, so regarding the sales data, if you will see, you can see over here, like on first uh, January, what was happened, which product was sold, like that. Okay, and on second January, what happened, third January, what happened. Those kind of data is there, isn't it? So right now, I'm going to rename it. Okay, so guys, tell me which kind of table it is: fact table or dimension table? All of you,
Fact table.
which table?
Fact table.
It is a fact
Fact.
table. Correct, correct. Okay, so it is a fact table. Right now we are having clearly that which table is what. Okay, now we can move on to the models. Okay, so in case of model, there are two models. One is star model, other is snowflakes model. Okay, one is star model. Okay. Okay, so this star model is having a fact table in the middle. Okay, fact table will be in the middle, and whatever supporting data is there in dimension table corresponding to this fact table, it will be connected like this. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is one more dimension table. It is also having some common data with respect to this fact table. So it will be connected. Okay, and another, oh, actually I'm writing with the help of mouse. That's why a lot of issues are coming. So I hope it is clear to you. D means dimension table and F means fact table. Okay, that's it. Simple thing. So like star is having its ray of light all around like that. Fact table is the assume that fact table is the star and this dimension table are its rays like that. Okay, and in case of snowflakes, snowflakes is another type of table. Actually, in star table, it is very easy to form. But basically, for making data warehouse and all, snowflakes is the standard one. It is basically used as a standard one. Okay. So here, what we used to do, oh, sorry. So here, what we used to do, actually, we will put all the dimension table at the top. Okay. We should put all the dimension table at the top, right? Suppose this is D, okay. I'm not able to make it properly with the help of mouse. When I will make the snowflakes model, it will be more clear to you. Okay. So this is always put the fact table in the bottom. Okay. So if, for example, any one column in this dimension table is commonly available in the fact table also, then only they will be connected like this. Okay. Some similarity should be there. right? It will be connected like this. So this is what is snowflakes model, where dimension table will be at the top and fact table will be at the bottom, right? Is it clear to all of you? Like what is star model and what is snowflakes model?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So let us make a snowflakes model. Okay. Before that, if you will go to this model, right, automatically they will be connected. All these tables are connected automatically. If you want to understand that how it is connected, let us first delete them one by one. Whatever relations or connections are there, we have to delete them one by one by just moving the cursor over there. Now this will get highlighted. You have to right click over it and then press on delete. Okay. Similarly, this one also I'm going to delete, right? So this one also should be deleted and we will delete next one also. Okay. So right now each and every table are not connected with each other. Okay. I will adjust this zoom bar so that all tables are clearly visible. Now what you have to do, put all the dimension table at the top and keep all the fact table at the bottom. Okay. So sales table and returns table, only these two tables were there at the where they are the fact table. Okay, so I'm putting only those two of them at bottom and all the dimension table are placed at the top, right? Okay. So you have to drag it like this, but somehow table is big now and columns are not visible. You have to drag it like this so that it is more visible. Now I will make it more clear to you. Okay. These are some of the columns corresponding to different tables. Okay. So, guys, can you please tell me that what is common in this customer table and this sales table? Anything is there which is common?
Customer key.
Customer key.
Correct. So, you will choose this customer key and you will drag it over here and you will drop it. Okay. Now you can see a connection will be made. Okay. It is a 1-to-1 connection. Right. An entity is appearing only once in customer key. And I mean, unique entities are appearing only once in customer key, and the same entity is appearing only once in customer key over here also. Okay. So, just tell me regarding products and returns, what is common between them?
Product key.
It's product key, correct. So, here product key is there. I will drag it and drop it over there. Okay. Now you can see the connection between them. Okay, it is one to many connection. Star means many. Okay, one to many connection is there. Okay. Now, all of you, can you please tell me what I mean? Here, product key is not there. Okay, here product key is there, but this product category key and product subcategory key is somewhat similar to product key. So when I will choose this product category key and I will place it over here to check whether they are similar or not, it will show me many to many connection. That means I can't connect them. Okay. So now let us take this subcategory key. Okay. I am putting this subcategory product subcategory key over product key. Okay. Now the connection is made. It is one to many connection. Okay. Sometimes it happens that column name may not be same, but their content will be same. Okay. So this is how we can make connection. One more thing. In dimension table, whatever common key was there, that is taken as primary key. Okay, here customer key is primary key and here customer key is foreign key. Never ever use any of the foreign key in your dashboard, in your report, whatever report you are making now. Here you should never use the, I mean, here customer key, this particular thing you can take, no issues with that. But the same thing that is appearing in returns table, not in returns table, it's in sales table, right? This one you should never take to make any chart. Okay, so you should hide it. How to hide it? There is a I button over here. Just click that one. Okay, now it will be hidden. Now when you will check over here, you can see in sales that customer key have disappeared. Okay, so by accidentally also you won't take that one. So whenever you will make a data model, always remember whatever foreign key is there. Here also product key is there, foreign key, right? You should hide it. Whatever foreign key is there, you should hide it so that later accidentally we won't be taking it, which will create some problem. Okay, is it clear to all of you? What is data modeling? What is fact table, dimension table? What is web scraping? All things are clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
guys,
ma'am.
I'm going to wind up the
Ma'am,
session because at yeah,
how will you find that which that is a foreign key or a really?
foreign key, the common key, na? Like I have deleted all the connections. Now I'm going to make connections. While making connection, I have chosen this customer key from here, and the same customer key over here is being selected, and I'm dragging it from here and dropping it over there so that the connection is made. Okay, so the same customer key will act as primary key in dimension table, and that customer key will act as foreign key in fact table. Isn't it? That is the logic behind
Okay,
it.
ma'am. Okay.
And you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to,
Now I understand.
yes, and you have to hide that particular column by clicking this I button. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
So we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
meet at 3 p.m. Only 3 minutes are left. We have to, go through the Python session also. Today we will take this while loop, for loop, and all. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.